Are you tackling a home renovation, landscaping project, or decluttering your space? Look no further. Welcome to Long Island Dumpster Rentals Incorporated, your premier destination for hassle-free dumpster rental in East Northport, New York. Our dedicated team is here to make your waste management process smooth and stress-free. With a wide range of dumpster sizes, we have the perfect dumpster and can cater to all your project needs, big or small. Our user-friendly rental process and prompt delivery and pickup services ensure you can focus on your project while we handle the waste. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to a cleaner, more organized space with Long Island Dumpster Rentals Incorporated. Ready to rent your dumpster? Contact Long Island Dumpster Rentals Incorporated today at 631-629-8444 or visit our website at www.longislanddumpsterrental.net. Dumpster Rental East Northport NY to learn more. With our experienced team and commitment to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to deliver and pick up your dumpster on time, every time. Let Long Island Dumpster Rentals Incorporated help you streamline your East Northport, New York waste management needs.